Yo, this is the idea that you want to play for your three-way electrical bike sound. You know what I'm saying? The battery, and this is all the battery you can use. You don't know what's negative, positive, and shit like that, you know? See the radio, this is the antenna I use. I use this like the antenna to connect back here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so like I was saying, this is the idea you can put the sounds on your favorite tricycle bike. You know what I'm saying? And one of them got loose, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so I just noticed, I think it's the battery just died on me. Yeah, the battery, yeah. So yeah, this is the idea you can use. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to know how you connect sounds or whatever, this is the idea you can do for your three-wheeler tricycle bike. A board right here, a board like that, and you find a way to turn this right here for one move, and the battery too. And you can put a small little wood right here, like this, and then something right here, a piece of wood right here for one move, right here. So that's the idea you can use. You can put those kind of speakers too like that, over there, those 10s.